كوثر. اليوم غادي نجاوب على أكثر الأسئلة اللي مسولينها الناس على المغرب والمغاربة. غادي نبداو بأول وحدة وغادي نشوفوا How are Moroccan men? Okay, so I assume you are asking about how is Moroccan men. Well, basically they are very nice, they are very sweet, and as any other country there is like bad people and good people. But I would like really say that Moroccan men are very generous and they are very nice and sweet. Okay, how does Moroccans look? Okay. Well, normally most of Moroccans have dark hair and not very dark skin, just like as me, and very nice, beautiful brown almond eyes. And you probably know. Now we are not like white, very white or very black. It's really depend. But yeah, in general, same as me. Okay, do Moroccans age well? Oh, this is a fun question. Well, yes and no. Well, it's really, I would say, depending on the people. Some Moroccans, when they are older, they are very sweet, really nice, really handsome and beautiful. And some really they age fast, and I think it's maybe depending on the genetics. I don't know. Okay, so why are Moroccan girls famous? Oh yeah, okay, I see that question and why it's been asked. So Moroccan girls are famous not because they are witches, as people say in the Middle East, but it's basically because Moroccan girls are really good at everything. They are really beautiful, they cook, they are great mothers, and they basically can do everything. When it comes to the educational side, to the work side, career side, cooking side, so yeah, you get everything with a Moroccan wife. Are Moroccan parents strict? Oh, yes and no. It depends on the parents. For example, my parents are not strict, but they are kind of in the middle. There are some parents that are very strict, and some parents are like really the cool parents. So it's like really depends. I can't say that all of them are strict, but of course they are not same as Europeans. It's because of the culture. So there is like always some boundaries. So yeah. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Are Moroccans black? Okay, a lot of people assume that because we live in Africa that we are black. No, it's actually people from the south can be a bit darker skin. In the middle, it's kind of like same tone as my skin. And sometimes in the north, you find people are a bit whiter, even like blonde people with green eyes. It's really depending on the area. Okay. So are Moroccans Arab? Oh gosh, this is a hard question. We speak Darija, we speak Tamazight, and there is different dialects. Some people like say we are not Arab, and I'm not gonna answer this one because a lot of people get upset when I'm answering. I consider myself as an Arab because my parents are Arab, both of them, and there is people who are Tamazight if that's their origin. So I will keep it as open, but yeah, we are mixed. Are Moroccans Muslim? So that's the fastest yes. 99% of Moroccans are Muslims and 1% they are Jewish. Okay. Are Moroccan guys good husbands? Depending on what you define for like a good husband. He's not gonna be in the kitchen with you, but definitely he's gonna take the responsibility of a lot of things. So yeah, I do consider them as good husbands because they take responsibility. Are Moroccan oil products good? Yes, Moroccan oil products like argan oil is very famous and very known for like really helping with skin problems and hair. So if you came to Morocco, you can definitely get argan oil because it's the best, it's #1 in the world. So yeah. Okay, let's go to the last one. Why Morocco? So we are starting with why. Okay, that sounds a bit scary to be honest. Why Moroccans speak French? I don't speak French, I'm Moroccan. Well, it's because it's the second language of Moroccans. Like, so we speak first like Arabic, we speak Darija. In school we speak Arabic, and then like we start learning French from the very beginning. For like historical reasons that I don't like to talk about. Like you can Google it. So that's why we have Google. I'm just gonna answer briefly. Why Moroccans love their king? Well, honestly, most of Moroccans love their king, like 99%, and I don't find any reason not to love the king. He's the sweetest, nicest, and the best king in the world. I love him so much because there is no reason for not to love him. Except some people are like really complaining because you can't find jobs in Morocco, but it's not because of the king, it's just like the economical reasons. Why Moroccans are so beautiful is because we have a really nice brown eyes, hair, sweet and good hearts, so that's why. Okay, why Moroccans immigrate? Well, I talked about that just area. It's really hard to find jobs. Like a lot of people have PhDs and master degrees and they cannot find a job, and I think it's maybe it's like as a lot of other countries. I wouldn't say just Morocco, and they think that they're gonna find a better life maybe in Europe, maybe in Spain, France, but they kind of get shocked when they find it's like the same problems there too. Why Moroccan food is the best? Well, it's the best because we have a really good spices. So when it comes to the tagines, couscous, it's like really good mix of like texture and everything. And so yeah, it's really delicious. You have to try it. Come to Morocco and try it to know why it's the best. It's like really number one. So yeah, that's it for today. I didn't want to make it a very long video, so I was answering briefly. But to be honest, if I want to just like for one question, I can go like for an hour. Things are the way it is. But I would say that Moroccans on board are like really nice to know as people and also as a country. And I hope that you one day to visit by you. So see you in this video. Take care. Bislama. Kautar was with you.